Great. Welcome, everyone. Welcome to today's open discussion. And the topic of today's discussion is five important pointers to keep in mind to attract your right partner effortlessly. Mhm. So, I'm going to give some inputs where I'm going to share these five pointers, which I feel if we apply in our lives, if we practice, if we embody, then we can reach that state where attracting a right partner comes in a effortless way for us. So the key word for today's session, we have had conversations on these topics before, but I specifically wanted to highlight this term for us, this time is effortlessly. Mm. Now, be it about attracting our right partners, be it about creating anything or you know um, anything that we want to bring in our lives, right? It actually happens when we are in an effortless state of being, right? Where we are not trying too hard, where we are comfortable in our skin, where we have this little bit of, a knowing that it's going to be fine. It is fine. It's going to be fine. It's working out. And we are going ahead in life with that um, state of ease, right? And we are just simply flowing along with it. So there is no, or rather, I would say that the state of effortless living is simply, an absence of resistance on the way, right? So when we see, a sailor in a river sailing, and on his boat going in a certain direction, of course, if he is, uh, you know, so, sowing the road in the direction in which the river flows, it's it's kind of, a more effortless way of moving with the river. But what if the person who is riding that boat and that boat is continues to start, so it in the opposite direction, right? And it becomes so much of efforts, कि चप्पू चला रहे हैं, and going into the opposite direction of the stream, right? And we learn so many things at times in our life that, maybe you improve on the communication skills, maybe you improve on the charisma side of things, maybe you become this person or you become that person. And of course, all of those things are important. I'm not saying those things are not important, but if this internal state of stability, this internal state of flowing with life, this internal state of that ease, that effortlessness does not come um, inside us, it's like कि हम opposite direction में बहुत जोर से चप्पू चला रहे हैं, right? And we are trying very hard. We have so having desires is not bad. Wanting something is not bad, but we are going in kind of बहुत मेहनत कर रहे हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा उसमें efforts जा रहे हैं, and then somehow we just end up getting few things here and there. So that's why I wanted to do this particular session where I wanted to focus upon this effortlessness, right? And matching it up with this particular topic, which is something which we talk about a lot in the community, that how can people attract their right partner? Mm. So now, reaching this effortless state of being, right? Even when you are reaching that state, there will be efforts required. Even when you have reached that state, there will be efforts required. Efforts were present, efforts are present, and they are going to be there because until we have this life, we have this body, we have this mind, कुछ ना कुछ तो हम करेंगे ना, तो effort तो हम डालेंगे ही ना. So even if we uh, make a choice to do nothing, become a couch potato, कि I make a decision कि अब मैं कुछ भी नहीं करूंगी, मैं अपने सोफे पे बैठे रहूंगी और कहीं नहीं जाऊंगी, isn't that also a choice? Isn't that also an action? Isn't that also an effort? So when we talk about the state of effortlessness, हम बात इस चीज की कर रहे हैं कि अब एफर्ट से कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं रह गई है. It feels like a play. It feels like a light activity. Us moving. चप्पू तो आपको तब भी चलाना पड़ेगा when you're going down the stream, but you're kind of, having fun, moving ahead with the river, enjoying the water, enjoying the trees beside, and you are living, going ahead on this journey of life, chilling and having fun and enjoying what comes on the way, right? उसमें भी efforts हैं. But the only thing is what changes is our attitude towards those efforts. तो एक टाइम ऐसा आता है when we reach that effortless state of being, उसमें those efforts also become effortless. उनसे भी हमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं बच जाती है, राइट? तो अब वहां तक जाने के लिए वो स्टेट रीच करने के लिए एफर्ट्स जो हमें करने हैं वो तो हमें करने ही हैं, राइट? नाउ the 5 pointers that I'm going to talk about today are going to be those efforts that we are going to make, to reach that stage where we are, where slowly we start tapping into the fluidity, the flexibility, the effortlessness, the, beautiful dance where, there's no battle happening, unnecessary battle happening inside us, unnecessary battles that we create outside of ourselves, in our life, in our interactions with people. So battles तो हैं. The only thing is कि जब हम उसमें unnecessary जो battles अपने मिला देते हैं, वो चीजें जब हट जाती हैं, तो it becomes like a beautiful play. And these 5 pointers are going to be what are those efforts that we can make to reach that. Okay, so welcome everyone once again to this session. We are going to keep this session conversational, two-way conversation like every time. It's an open discussion. So let me just share with you guys these 5 points first, and whatever you guys wish to discuss later on regarding this topic, we will have a discussion, and you can just talk at that point of time. So if you get any questions while I'm talking, please make sure that you write your question, or you remember your question, that what are the things that you want to talk about later on, and we'll take all of those questions later. Okay, so all of the people here who are present, they are a part of an Amify community from quite some time, except maybe one or two of you. So आप लोग सब यहाँ पे हैं. So जो first वाला point है, I'm pretty sure कि all of you who have even attended one of these open discussions must be knowing this point. Absolutely. ठीक है. So first pointer is clearing of the blocks. Clearing of the resistance that is on the way. ठीक है. अब why is this the first pointer? So this is the first pointer because without doing this, without clearing the blocks, the resistances which are there on the way, we will not be able to move ahead, no matter how much we learn, no matter how much we know, no matter how many things we accumulate based on knowledge, based on books, based on, watching YouTube videos, and, all of those stuff that we keep accumulating, in our head. अगर ये नहीं होगा, तो what will happen कि हमारा जो मन है, हमारा जो, the inner being that we talk about, तो सारी ये जो नॉलेज है, नो मैटर हाउ मच वी नो, ये सब एक इंटेलेक्चुअल लेवल पे रह जाती है. And it does not penetrate to our heart. It does not penetrate to our being. And it is a very dangerous point to be in, क्योंकि हमें ये लगता है कि अब हमें सब कुछ पता चल गया है. But the point is कि even if we know everything, लाइफ में कोई चेंजेस नहीं आते हैं. And that is a good sign कि वो जो blocks हैं, the resistances that are there on the way, are there, and they are not able to help us penetrate, anything, any information that we get to attract the right partner. चाहे वो affirmations हो, चाहे वो, going out for partying, meeting with people, talking in a certain way, learning a new way of initiating conversations, reading the book How to Influence People, How to Make Friends and Influence People, right? तो अगर ये सारी रेजिस्टेंसेस हैं तो एक बैटल चलता रहता है अंदर. हम्म? तो ये फर्स्ट स्टेप है, क्लियरिंग ऑफ दीज ब्लॉक्स. नाउ व्हाट आर दीज ब्लॉक्स दैट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट? So these blocks are basically the beliefs that we have got, the experiences that we have got, the stored trauma, the stored wounds, the stored emotions, the stored, energy that we have got based on whatever things that we have experienced in our life, especially in the earlier years of our life. And later on, those things continue to accumulate, 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 and reflect upon, kind of, creating layer upon layer upon layer of incidents, experiences. And over a period of time, जैसे हम बड़े हो जाते हैं, we become adults, तो मोस्टली हमारे साथ क्या हुआ था बचपन में ये हम सब भूल जाते हैं, राइट? Until it's an excruciating incident and all that, कोई trauma occurring incident है. But usually जो छोटी मोटी चीजें होती हैं, जो क्योंकि हमें लगता है कि ये तो होता है, ये तो सबकी लाइफ में होता है, ये तो ऐसा ही है, या ये है या वो है, वो intricate details we all forget as we grow up. However, even if we do that, our system re- re- remembers it very clearly. And every time a friction occurs, friction जैसे ही होता है, which is a triggering event, which is कुछ थोड़ा सा इधर उधर हुआ, and everything starts coming up on the surface, and then we react, and then it continues. A perpetual cycle continues without, now the bigger thing is, without us knowing why we are doing what we are doing. ठीक है? तो इसके लिए अब अगर मान लेते हैं कि हम इन सारे ब्लॉक्स को क्लियर नहीं करते हैं, लेट देम बी द ब्लॉक्स ऑफ एट अ मेंटल लेवल, कि women are like these, or I don't deserve it, or maybe you were told as a child that maybe you are not that good looking enough, or maybe you were compared to somebody as a child, or if you don't study enough, भैया तुमको तो कोई लड़का नहीं मिलेगा, तुमको तो कोई लड़की नहीं मिलेगी, है ना? अगर ये नहीं करोगे तो ये नहीं होगा, वो नहीं करोगे तो वो नहीं होगा, पता नहीं क्या क्या करोगे तो क्या क्या होगा और क्या क्या नहीं होगा. एट द लेवल ऑफ बिलीफ, एट द लेवल ऑफ इमोशंस. ठीक है? कि हमें कोई चीज जब चाहिए थी लाइफ में, तो not in a healthy way, in a more of a reactive way, we received that reaction, और हमने उस चीज से रिलेटेड अब एक स्टोर्ड इमोशन है अंदर. ठीक है? कि ऐसा ही होता है मेरे साथ, दुनिया में बाकी सबके साथ तो अच्छा होता है, बट ना मेरे साथ ऐसा ही होता है ना? मैं ही डिजर्व नहीं करता, मैं ये नहीं, मैं वो नहीं, मैं ये कुछ भी नहीं, राइट? At the level of energy, when these things go even deeper, you were, let's suppose, raised with verbal kind of abuse in the family, chaotic environment in a joint family, जहाँ पे सब लड़ाई कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? छोटी छोटी बातों पे वो सब चीजें हो रही हैं. Or maybe you have been raised in an environment where you see कि marriages never work out, or even if they do, you've seen a lot of unhappy couples, right? A lot of unhappy couples, and you have created this experience in your mind कि marriage से ना ये होता है, you live unhappily, right? Or you go through so many bad things. So marriage is bad, relationship is bad. Or if you, let's suppose you had a dominating father who is dominating your mother, and you are a girl, and you see that men are dominating women, men dominate women. That is the experience that you have received, and you have now raised with that thing that in case I find a partner, I'm going to get dominated, so let me not find let me not get into any relationship only, or people get hurt. So on and so forth, so many experiences. so many emotions, so many thoughts. Um, so I'm taking examples of this topic only as we are talking about attracting the right partner. But ये सारी चीजें जो accumulated belief system होता है. Let's suppose you do not have any such belief system. ठीक है? But आपका starting point था that you did not have a choice to select a right partner for yourself. And you got into a arranged marriage setup. And it turned out to be a horrible experience for you later on. ठीक है? अब उसमें the struggles that you have gone through create trauma in life. ठीक है? अब वो trauma perpetuate होगा if it is not cleared out in all the relationships that you're going to attract going further in life. ठीक है? तो ये सारी चीजें हैं. जब तक हम अपने वेसल को क्लीन नहीं करते, उसमें चाहे हम कुछ भी चीजें डालते रहे, उसमें हम कितना भी पॉजिटिव बिलीव्स डालें या पॉजिटिव एफर्मेशन, देयर इज नथिंग रॉन्ग विथ पॉजिटिविटी, दैट्स परफेक्टली फाइन. यू नो कि आपको पता है कि ओके इट समथिंग फील्स गुड, समथिंग you think nice and you feel good about it and you are just enjoying life, having fun, nothing wrong with that. बट जब हम इन चीजों को एस्केप करके, इन चीजों को बिना देखे, बिना ब्लॉक्स को क्लियर किए, when we just go behind that thing that I need to be positive, और वो हो नहीं पाता है, right? Because we have shame, we have guilt, we have fears and insecurities, all of those things, and then we get into a cycle of more feeling more shameful कि देखो देखो मैं तो पॉजिटिव भी नहीं रह पाती हूँ, मैं तो पॉजिटिव भी नहीं रह पाता हूँ, ये भी नहीं हो पाया मुझसे अच्छे से, right? So doesn't serve very well. Instead, what was the first step for us to take was to clear these blocks out. तो अभी as an exercise for you all, जो पहली चीज, हमें सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज इस चीज में डिग इन करने की जरूरत है कि what are my fears and insecurities? What are my specific beliefs regarding men, regarding women? Hmm? What are these experiences related to relationships that I have created in my past? What are my experiences? So what are the things which I project, right? Which I continue to project on in my future based on the past. Okay. That's the first thing that we need to contemplate upon, that we need to see. And then doing the root cause analysis of how we created that and healing, from the root level. इसके लिए, so the second point is very much linked to this first point, but second point पे जाने के लिए पहले ये जो first point की layer है, ये हटाना बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है. Because the second point is knowing what you want. Getting clarity upon what is it that you want, not what you're told what you should want. You should marry a guy like that. You should marry a woman like that. All these shoulds in our life, that what we should do, what we should not do. तो जब तक हम वो सारी चीजें क्लियर नहीं कर पाएंगे, नहीं करेंगे, all the blocks are there inside us, वो सारा we don't bring awareness to those things. ये जो second वाला point है, what is it that I want? What are the things which are fed to me by people around me, by society, by cultural beliefs, versus what do I want? अब why is this important for us to understand what do I want? Yeah. इससे ना हम थर्ड पॉइंट पे जाते हैं. So in the second point, what do you want? Until you have this clarity, there will be a battle. There will be a battle inside you, that this is what I want, but this is what I should have. Thus, this takes us to the third point, which is having contradictory beliefs, having contradictory notions in life. एक kind of contradictory notion होता है ये, this is what I want and this is what I should want. What I should want, अगर मैं वो नहीं करता हूं, what I will feel shame or guilt. ठीक है? अभी तो लेकिन इसमें कांस्टेंट एक आर्ग्यूमेंट चल रहा है, बट मैं तो ये चाहता हूं ना, बट मुझे ये चाहना चाहिए. So there's a battle happening inside. In the same way, जो फर्स्ट वाला पॉइंट व्हेन वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट द ब्लॉक्स, है ना, वहां पे वी क्रिएट कॉन्ट्रडिक्टरी बिलीफ. So for an example, let me tell you guys a story about a woman I was talking to maybe 4 days back. Okay. So she came to me and she was telling me that, I'm in this very toxic relationship and I want to get out of it. But if I leave this person, I'll feel very lonely. Okay. So just because I don't want to feel lonely, I want to continue with this person. So I was just asking her this question ki, what if you move out of this relationship and you find somebody who is a healthy partner for yourself? कि अभी तो आपने मुझे 20 पॉइंटर्स खुद ही गिना दिए हैं कि why this relationship is not a good relationship. तो अब इससे निकलने में क्या प्रॉब्लम है? So that lady was telling me कि, in case I leave this relationship, what if I find a person who is worse than this? What if I find a person who is even more toxic? Hmm? Or maybe who is not healed. All the people, in the society all the men that you meet for who are available for marriage are unhealed, are, traumatized, or are, not so emotionally mature, and all of these things, so on and so forth. So I asked her this question then, you know, what is it along with loneliness that you're getting with this guy? So she jumped and said that stability. Mm. Now the thing is that she wants to avoid toxic people, but she is already in a relationship which is toxic. Now she is looking for stability, right? And this is a toxic partner that she is with. Now she's looking for stability, but she's comfortable with what? Challenges. There are plenty of healthy people outside. At least she can try going out, but there was a deeper reason why she was not leaving this relationship, because this relationship has drama, this relationship has chaos, this relationship has challenges. The battle that she could not win as a child by winning her dad, winning her father, somewhere she feels that she can win this battle if she can change this guy, if she can make this guy evolve, if she can, do that with this person, she has won the battle. So, what she actually wants as an adult? Stability. But what does what what does she want? Internally, or maybe I should say as a child, or maybe I should say as a subconscious, um, system wiring, challenges, proving that she can also be worthy, proving that she can also be of value to somebody. Hmm? तो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? Contradiction create हो रहा है. So she is not able to be in the relationship because there's a part of her that is telling her that this is unhealthy, you're too much stressed, you don't should not go there. And there is also a part of her which is not allowing her to leave the relationship, right? So she wants stability, but she is not prepared for the stability. She has not become the person who can handle the stability. She has throughout her life, she has lived as a person who all that she can handle is chaos, drama, challenges, problems. Okay. All these unnecessary arguments and fights happening daily. Hmm? Because this is what, to a part of us, this stimulation, because that's how we have been stimulated. A person who has lived with anxiety for all their lives, that when the anxiety goes away, they feel like they're going mad. Okay. Because क्या है कि एंजाइटी के साथ रहने की आदत हो चुकी है. क्या? तो even in the beginning, when people start working on themselves and slowly they start feeling कि मेरी एंजाइटी भी चली गई, आई एम स्ट्रेस फ्री एंड आई एम वरी फ्री, तो उनको ये सोच के स्ट्रेस हो जाता है कि मैं स्ट्रेस फ्री कैसे हो गई या कैसे हो गया, राइट? क्योंकि आदत नहीं है. And then slowly we adapt to the new system where we know that it's not boring to have a healthy partner. It's not boring to have a stable life. It's not very complicated to create variety in relationships, है ना? Even if वो बिल्कुल पुरानी वाली ड्रामेटिक एंजाइटी के जैसी नहीं, ड्रामेटिक वाली यू नो एंटरटेनमेंट नहीं होगा, but it's so easy when you enter that you have reached that space where you feel comfortable in your life, comfortable in your environment. You have created, brought all the pieces of your life together and created a life around it. You know how to create variety in it as well. तो हमें बोर्डम से डर नहीं लगता, स्टेबल एंड हेल्दी रिलेशनशिप्स बोरिंग नहीं लगती है, बट उसके लिए we need to become that person who can handle stability, who does not see stability and health and harmony in a relationship as boredom, right? Or, there are a lot of people who just कुछ थोड़ा सा कुछ हुआ नहीं, कोई आर्ग्यूमेंट या फाइट नहीं हुई, दे जस्ट शट डाउन, क्लोज ऑफ, रन अवे, एस्केप, स्टार्ट घोस्टिंग, स्टार्ट यू नो शटिंग डाउन, बिल्कुल बात ही नहीं करेंगे, रिप्लाई नहीं करेंगे, ये सब चीजें हो जाती हैं. तो अगेन देर आर contradictory beliefs happening. अब चाहिए क्या? A partner, a support system, love and connection, ठीक है, stability, ये सब चीजें चाहिए. बट वो उस वो उस चीज को उनको लगता है अंदर ही अंदर कि ये चीज परमानेंट नहीं है, ये छिन जाएगा, ये तो मेरे पास स्टे नहीं करता है. सो आई नीड टू हैव दैट प्रोटेक्टिव शील्ड बाय अवॉइडिंग द हर्ट दैट कुड कम ऑन द वे. तो उनका क्या अभी कंफर्ट जोन है? बीइंग अलोन. अवॉइडेंस इज द कंफर्ट जोन. तो अभी यहाँ पे अगेन अनदर एग्जाम्पल ऑफ कॉन्ट्रोडिक्टरी बिलीफ. तो यहाँ पे जब हम एंशियस एंशियसली अटैच्ड पीपल और अवॉइडेंस की बात करते हैं, तो दिस इज व्हाट इट लुक्स लाइक. तो yeah, those are the first 3 points that I wanted to share with you guys. Then the fourth point was becoming comfortable. I guess I already talked a little bit about it in the third point itself. कि becoming comfortable enough in with what you desire. ठीक है, तो पहले clarity आ गई, blocks clear हो गए, ठीक है, contradictions clear हो गए, and then you start practicing living that life. ठीक है, living that life where छोटी छोटी चीजों में जब लाइफ में स्टेबिलिटी है, when life has those colors, all of those things that you wish to enjoy in a relationship, life will naturally start bringing all of these things to you in small forms. ठीक है, तो be it affection, be it love, be it connection, be it trust, through your friends, through people, through workplace, and in fact all of those things are being brought to us every single day, all the time. बट अगर हमें ही ट्रस्ट इश्यूज हैं, सो वी विल नॉट बी ट्रस्टिंग दोज थिंग्स विच कम टू अस. तो हमें वो दिखती नहीं है. ठीक है, स्लोली स्लोली अब दिखने लगी. तो इट्स टाइम फॉर अस टू स्टार्ट प्रैक्टिसिंग दैट एनर्जी. जो भी चीजें हमने अभी तक की हैं, we become a living embodiment. We start living all of those things through practical life scenarios, है ना? So that's the fourth point. Another thing is becoming the version of yourself, right? Becoming the version of yourself who is entirely comfortable with that. ताकि जब वो आपकी लाइफ में राइट पार्टनर आए, यू हैव क्रिएटेड दैट स्पेस ऑलरेडी, है ना? एंड देन द फिफ्थ पॉइंट, ठीक है, जो आता है where it comes about the learning part, building confidence, becoming comfortable in your skin, doing all the positive affirmations, choosing the right things for yourself, knowing your own patterns, knowing when you fall back, becoming aware of it and choosing differently, right? Whenever you feel that it's time for me to choose differently, going ahead, choosing differently, building your character. Okay. What would be the attributes that this person, ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले क्वेश्चन ये है ना कि what do I want in my life partner, then visualizing that person, Then asking an honest question. If you find that person, will that person really be attracted to the version of you that you are today? If the answer is no, then asking the question that what are the attributes that you need to develop, right? And developing, slowly starting to develop one such attribute at a time. So building that character, building that persona, building that um, confidence, right? Building that comfort and power, that strength in yourself. Mm. Then another important bonus point, which is like super, 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 super important, is working on yourself energetically. ठीक है, तो हम मेंटल ब्लॉक्स की बात इसलिए ज्यादा कर पाते हैं क्योंकि उसके लिए टैंजिबल एग्जाम्पल्स होते हैं, ठीक है. बट द मोस्ट पावरफुल काइंड ऑफ वर्क दैट अ पर्सन कैन डू, द मोस्ट फास्ट फॉरवर्ड काइंड ऑफ वर्क दैट अ पर्सन genuinely can do and get results is by working on their energetic body. Okay. So once you have done with healing and clearing the mind blocks on the way, emotional catharsis हो गया, सब खाली हो गया, खाली हो गया. Then going deeper and whatever imprints are there at an energetic level, clearing that out as well. अब इसके लिए another bonus point, another thing to remember is being open and being receptive. Okay. Having that deep knowing that, living in that state of, how should I say, magic, जहाँ पे um, you're happy where you are, you're living that version of you, um, and you know where you're going. Right, so दोनों चीजें coexist करती है. There is even if at times when we have desires, usually the desires come out of lack. मेरे पास ये नहीं है, मेरे पास ना ये वाली कार नहीं है, तो इसलिए मुझे ये कार चाहिए. हम्म? Those are the desires of lack, and वो ना opposite stream में चप्पू चलाने के जैसा है. And you have to do a lot of hard work, a lot of वहां पे से मेहनत करके कोशिश करके then you somehow ऐसे कुतड्डी से चीजें मैनिफेस्ट हो जाती हैं, ठीक है, हो जाती हैं, एफर्ट्स तो उसमें भी जा रहे हैं. द पॉइंट इज कि द कार दैट यू वांट दैट विल कम at ease, that will come more beautifully, effortlessly, when you're also able to love that the car that you have now. और अब जितना ज्यादा उस चीज से प्यार करेंगे, the more you live in the present, becoming that version of you. So for an example, the car example, feeling appreciation for that, feeling grace, feeling gratitude, feeling good about that, what you have, the more effortless state comes into picture. So that जो वो effortlessness की हम बात करते हैं, it is that magic state where you are in abundance now, and you also know where you're going and what you want and what you desire. But what you desire does not mean that you don't enjoy what you have now. And what you enjoy right now does not mean that you're going to be a limited, person who is just satisfied with what is. वो एकदम complacent बन गए, बिल्कुल couch potato बनकर बैठ गए, है ना, सोफे पे. No, no. You still enjoy. You play the game. You go out. You do all of those things. But जो outcome से इतना attachment है ना, वो नहीं है. You just do it. You just enjoy the process. You do it. Hmm? That's the state of effortlessness. And the same thing we apply here. The same 5 points that I'm sharing, hmm, that we apply here for attracting the right partner. Ab isme in depth when we go, there are quite a lot of things, that we need to discuss in depth. ये तो मैंने बिल्कुल ये जो पांचों pointers हैं, these are like step by step guides, kind of a kind of a thing for you to create a structure for yourself. To just have an idea in your mind that which stage have you reached, or what are the things you still need to do, or maybe what you missed on the way. Now, you really want to do this work, each of these stages need to be seen and understood in more depth, and the work needs to be done there. और वो जो in depth वाली चीजें हैं, that we have spoken in many open, these kind of open discussions in the past. ठीक है, तो it's very important that you start digging deeper into each of these points. ठीक है, तो ये तो हो गए हमारे 5 points about attracting the right partner effortlessly. So now let's have a conversation on this thing. Anybody who wants to ask a question, share anything, please feel free to raise your hand.